Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are talking about Base44 AI, a new tool for building apps with AI. Is it really helpful or just overhyped in 2025? Base44 is made for people who want to build apps without writing a lot of code. You tell the AI what you want, like a simple to-do app, a form or a full product, and it builds it for you. The design is clean and it's beginner friendly. It works right in your browser so you don't need to install anything. You can edit your app easily and the AI helps with both logic and design. Some people say it saves hours of time, but others think it's not smart enough for complex apps yet, and it's still getting better. Also, the pricing might be a bit high if you are just testing it for fun. So, is Base 44 worth it? If you are a solo builder or startup who want a launch fast, it can be super helpful. But if you need deep control or have big tech plans, it might be limited. Let me know what you think in the comments, like the video if it helped, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.